Hey guys, this is MORGBORG here with the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit for Total Wireless. This is actually something I've been wanting for quite some time, almost since the phone came out last year, at the end of 2018. And so, I was able to pick this phone up at Best Buy for their special Black Friday price of $30. This thing was 50% off, and I was quite impressed by the price of it. The reason I got this, I was actually originally going to get the Samsung Galaxy J7 Crown, but they were out of stock and I wasn't going to wait to pick it up, so I just decided, why not get this instead? It's just as good. So, going to read off some of the unique specs of this device, because I'm not going to read off every single one here, because some of these are just standard with Android phones nowadays. So I'll read the ones that are unique to this device. So this has Android Oreo, although it should be upgradable to Android Pie. I'll see about that in a future video. I'll let you know if that actually is true. 5-inch HD touchscreen, 1280 by 720. 19-hour battery talk time, 21-day standby time. 16 gigabytes of storage. It's 5.6 inches tall, 2.7 inches wide, and 0.3 inches thick. D as in depth or thickness, they're the same thing. It supports a micro SD card up to 400 gigabytes, which is not included. It has an 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. 1.35 gigahertz octa-core processor, Bluetooth 4.2, and is hearing aid compatible with M3 T3 sets. So, anyways, if you want to read these, just pause here, and then I'll have the plan information right here. You all can pause right here if you want to look at that. Anyways, so let's open this up. I already broke the seal, so I shouldn't have to use a knife on camera. Just set that off to the side. Okay, so this is kind of similar to how it was when I unboxed the LG Sunset. You guys probably don't remember that, but this was almost 2 years ago. It's on my channel, you can check it out. Anyways, so let's take out this here first. This is the phone without the back or battery. I'll set that to the side. And then here's the battery. This is it should say on here. Yeah, 2600 milliamp hours. So that's the same as the Samsung Galaxy S4. Here's the back cover. Quite flexible, as you can see. Here's the quick reference manual, or if you want to call it something else, the user guide. They have it in, I think this is Spanish. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I think it is. And then they have the Total Wireless Terms and Conditions of Service, effective 11/13/17. Here's the power brick. Let's see if I can find what it is here. 1.55 amps. So this is not a fast charger, but it's better than what would come with previous Samsung phones at this price point, which was usually just a 1 amp charger. And then just a standard micro USB cable, nothing special. And then turning it over, I'm gonna cover up this bottom part. Oops, yeah, there's your Total Wireless stuff. Your activation card. Get the most out of your service. And then the service guide. Alright, so I'm gonna set all that to the side. And then I'll bring over what we need for now, the battery, back cover, and the phone. So I'm just going to open this up. Just see if I can not tear this up, which I already failed. Oh well. And then here's the back cover. J3 Top V. As you can see, it has a smooth finish, smooth plastic. Yeah, so I told you guys, so my brother has the Samsung Galaxy J3 Star. That's basically the same thing as this, except it uses the GSM towers, and it has a quad-core processor. So, if I remember correctly, I believe only the octa-core variants of this phone, the 2018 J3, are getting Android 9. The quad-core variants are not getting Android Pie. So, I'm going to install the battery. It feels like this has some charge in it. Just install the back cover. You can see already there's some plastic right there. Alright, so yeah, there's some plastics on the side, which I'm going to have to peel. Of course, I'm not going to be keeping the side plastic. And then, is there anything else on the side? Nope, that's all good. Just gonna make sure I have this intact. And then peel the screen protector. Oh yeah, you can pause here and read what it says. Has ultra power saving mode and a 5-inch TFT HD screen. So no Super AMOLED on here. So let's turn this on. If it has any charge. There we go. As you can see, it says secured by Knox. Powered by Android. So this should boot with Android 8.0 Oreo. And it has no boot up sound because all the new Samsungs do not. And so I'll skip to when it's on the setup screen. Alright, so it's on the setup screen. It took less than a minute for it to boot. I'm just gonna turn the sound up. Yeah, hit start. I'm gonna skip the Wi-Fi for now. No. I'll just agree to all of them. Skip this. Not now. Yeah, I just want this to be the bare bones setup. So this is going to be what you see out of the box. I'm going to skip Samsung account and then finish. Okay, so let's just take a look at this thing. This has got Samsung Experience 9 out of the box. Of course, if you update it to Android 9, it will have the One UI. So let's go into settings. Storage. So you can see here Android 8.0.0. I'm just going to show the Easter egg. You could just drag it around. Very smooth on this phone. I'm quite impressed. And then device maintenance. Storage. So right out of the box, 6.4 gigabytes are used out of the 16 gigabytes built in. So that's not too bad. Okay. And so I'm actually quite impressed with this right off the box. It's a nice looking phone. And right off, there isn't too much bloatware. Right off, I see that there's my sites, Facebook, my account downloader. Here's a track phone folder with more bloatware. One weather, voicemail, Wi-Fi utility, and again, my sites. I don't think Facebook is actually a track phone thing. And then there's my account downloader. Alright, so that is the Samsung Galaxy J3 Orbit unboxing and first impressions. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have an update video. I'll probably review this phone with Android Pie on it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, peace.